Hello, my name is Collin Fomich. I am a first year industrial systems engineering student, and I am currently making my video for my professional pillar for PCT. I was not able to attend the event because of an exam, so thank you to Abby for allowing me to make this up. To start off, so as a manager of an asteroid mining company, the first thing I'd consider with this mission is to consider if it's a manned operation or if it's remotely operated. I'm going to say, because we have free reign on this project, that because we are mining asteroids, that it is going to be a remotely operated mission. So we don't have to have people on this mission. Better not to if it's possible. So to start off, no people on this. Second of all, previously define what's on this asteroid, how much of what's on this asteroid, and find a buyer and figure out how much we are going to make in turn for doing this mission. Because you want it to be worth your time. You want to make sure you know what you're getting from this, and you want to make sure you have somebody that is interested in buying what you get from this mission before you do the mission. Third of all, we're going to need a ship, obviously. We're also going to need some physicists to plan the launch and the landing of the ship onto the asteroid, back from the asteroid to Earth, bringing back the payload. We're going to need the length of time, the dates of the takeoff and the landing, and how long we're going to be on this asteroid before we need to come back. Third of all, we're going to need some operators to operate the mining equipment remotely from Earth on the asteroid. So then we can have people collecting the payload as we are on Earth and mining. I'm going to say people are doing that. I don't know. Next, we're going to need, in case of a failed landing or a failed launch, we're going to need to insure our equipment, insure our ships, insure all of our mining equipment to make sure that we can redo this mission if it fails, which it happens. Bad things happen with space launches, as we've seen in history. And finally, in case of space pirates, which would be my biggest concern personally, definitely put some robot soldiers on the ship as we fly there. We want to make sure that our payload is protected and covered, just in case anybody's trying to steal that from us and take the easy way without doing any of the work. So make sure that gets back safely. So that's all I got for our mission here. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you.